Rheem RTEX13 electric tankless water heater. This model has only been out a short while, but it's already proving to be a reliable, user-friendly unit. The Rheem is an ideal choice for a one-shower household or for 2 showers if they're equipped with a 1.5 gallon per minute low-flow shower head. This one is a terrific choice if you live alone and should similarly work well for couples or roommates in one-bathroom apartments. The obvious advantage for this heater is the price, which is pretty unbeatable. Since it is an electric heater, it will cost less up front to install, and if it lasts even only 1.5 years, it will pay for itself. Previous buyers reported that this one is easily paid for itself in less than 2 years. It has a maximum flow rate of up to 4 gallons per minute, GPM, which is very impressive at this price. Such a high flow rate means you can be taking a shower while someone in the next room washes their hands. Even with such a high flow rate, it's super compact and convenient, so you can install it in cabinetry or hidden under the sink. This latest version adds a user-friendly digital thermostat. It has a simple dial and a very accurate temperature readout, accurate to within a degree. At 99.8% efficient, you don't get more intelligent design than this. Overall, by far one of the cheapest units here with a large flow rate for the price, the RTEX13 is a great choice for small households and apartments. It could also be made to work in larger households as long as you are conscious about hot water usage. Just don't expect to thrive if you push it to the limit. This review is part of a video where we review the best products of the same category with this product. So if you want to see more similar products to this one, we'll leave a link of that video down in the description so you can check it out. And if you're interested in finding the best price of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description and comment section below.